Assalamualaikum Pak Bupati.
Pertama sekali kami ucapkan selamat datang di dataran tinggi Gayo, Kabupaten Aceh Tengah.
My first visit to Gayo goes back to 2012 as a former coffee buyer for a specialty coffee company based in Portland, Oregon.